Hey folks, today our subject is how to install pfsense router using VMware or any of your existing CPU. The important thing is it should have two interfaces because we're going to configure one for the LAN and second one for the WAN. Let's go through step by step. I already have downloaded pfsense image, ISO image. After extraction, I'm going to find pfsense i386.iso, which is for Intel machine. After that, let's open VMware, configure the typical configuration and select the ISO image. I don't have to do a lot of configuration. I'm just going to go through Wizard, just hit Linux, type the machine name, and because pfsense image is not mentioned in there, so we're gonna click others. Alright, by default my location is already in virtual machines, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Alright, maximum disk space, I don't need a lot of space for that, but still I'm gonna configure 10 GB in there. I still have to customize hardware configurations. Let's select for virtual machine. RAM, I'm going to select 256 and processor is fine. I have to add another network. By default, within few seconds, it can boot up and will show us installation screen in there. I guess both of my network interfaces are disabled or not over the network. Alright, we're gonna check it out later. I'm just gonna hit all the default configuration. I'm not gonna go into customization or anything like that because default will do for us. Except all these settings, I'm just gonna click quick easy install. As said, we're not gonna do any customization because matter of fact we don't need to. Alright, that's quite a quick step. I'll pause the video until the installation is 100% done. I configured the LAN IP address 10.1, so through my browser, admin and the password supposed to be pfsense. Alright. So on the start, it can show us some wizard steps. We'll go through. Alright, I'm playing your pfsense with pfsense gold. Now, I don't have to sign up for now. Just hit next. Alright, the host name. Of course, I'm configuring for the purpose to make our existing CPU as a router. So pfsense router makes sense. Alright, the domain name, so we can recognize any of the machine which is getting services through. Primary DNS server, of course we're gonna mention our local network. time server host name, time zone. Let's select time zone, and we don't need anything further. Mine is +4. Okay, select type. Now the internet connection we're taking over here is PPPoE, or either DHCP, or service provider has given a static IP. Okay, local network also MTU is supposed to be 1500, which is fine. If I go through PPPoE, I might gonna change it to 1492. Okay, we're just gonna go through DHCP. We'll bring up another virtual machine. We're just going to configure the IP just to make sure, and in the same subnet from the router local network, because I guess in VMware it might gonna VMware has his own networking virtualization, so it might gonna take the DHCP IP address from that service. So to get rid of that contradiction, let's go through manual. So far so good. Let's browse any of the website. Should work. Oh yeah, it's working. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe button. We're done for now. See you soon.